Hey guys, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. Heading over to get the ball joints looked at on the front of the box van. And then I've got an appointment for Tuesday to get the air conditioning fixed. And then it's time to start building. Start working on the actual living space of the box van. So I'm kind of excited. Okay, well that didn't go so well. The truck is too tall for them to get on the lift, and I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. But according to the manager there, they have a commercial center, and I will take this next week, and hopefully they can look at the ball joints and take care of any rattling issues that I'm hearing. We'll see. So this truck has not been cleaned in the interior in probably 8 or 10 years. So that's what's happening now. Cleaning up that interior. Get it comfortable. We did take a test run on it this weekend to Phoenix, well last weekend. But definitely need to clean it up. Hey guys, I'm inside the box truck right now, and well, the sun's going down some, so it's not so bad. But a little while ago, it was pretty hot in here, and we got a lot of work to do inside here. So we're actually gonna paint the roof with Cool Coat and cool it down. It's got a fiberglass roof, and it just needs to be coated with some Cool Coat so that it's not letting the sun come in so harshly. So one of the important steps in this process is to make sure that the roof is clean of large debris, but also kind of cleaned up pretty well before you start putting paint on it. Well, in our particular case, the roof of the box was pretty clean because it has not been sitting under a tree that drops any debris or anything like that. It's just been in the open. So just had to spray it off and get the dirt and dust off of it mostly. But for someone else, it may take a lot more. So we got about 2 to 3 hours of light, and we're gonna put this elastomeric Cool Coat on this fiberglass roof on the box van. So what do you think? Hey guys, this has been another episode of Fit for Expedition. I hope you are enjoying this box van build series. If you are, please think about subscribing to the channel because there are a lot more videos like this on the channel, and there's going to be a lot more. Also, if you like this particular episode, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Also, share these with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. See you next time on Fit for Expedition.